Back in this video, I will show you how you can add percentage symbol in Excel. If you have already whole number in your cells, then select the cells and then press Ctrl plus 1, or either you can go to the home and click on the found and click on the number and click on the customs and remove the general and type 0 double quote percentage signs and double quote. You can put that percentage sign by pressing shift plus 5 on the keyboard and then click OK to proceed. This is so simple. If you are joining values from another cells and want to output as a text, for this you need to put the equal sign, select the cells reference space ampersand space and put the double quote percentage double quote, hit enter like this one. Use the fill handle to apply the formula to other values. If you are building dynamic text formulas and prefer using ASCII character codes, for this you need to put the equal sign, select the cells reference space, put the ampersand space and type char, open the bracket and type 37 ASCII code, close the bracket, hit enter like this one. Use the fill handle to apply the other values. So select the cells you want to format and then go to the home, and in the number group you need to click on this arrow and select the percentage. Excel will display like 7500%. To avoid this, either type 0.75 like this one or type 79.17 directly into the cells. So you can select the cells, go to the home, click on the numbers and increase the decimals from here. So if you have a column of whole numbers, for this you need to enter in the right next to your numbers. Type the first example manually, for example 75%. Press enter to move to the next row and press Ctrl plus E to the flash fill like this one. In another method, you need to type 100 in any blank cell and then copy it and select your original columns of numbers and then right click and choose the paste special and select the divide under the operation section and click OK to proceed. With the cell still selected, press Ctrl Shift plus percentage. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can do that. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.